Hi, I'm Leslie Ludke, and I'm here at the WWCC Field Day, and I'm here representing the University of Wisconsin River Falls. I'm an intern with them this summer, and we're here telling the farmers about our collaboration with the WWCC and what me and my lab partner will be doing this summer with them. And one of the big things that we're going to be doing with them is well sampling. Each of the farmers' wells, and for the new members we'll be doing about 4 different well sampling throughout the summer and in the winter, and we're going to be creating a database for the WWCC members to look at their nitrate levels throughout the year, and for them to be able to compare and contrast the members' wells throughout the region and help them create their own well database for them to use in the future. And then we're also going to be looking at lysimeters. We have a little example here, and we have a lot larger lysimeters coming, about 4-footer ones, and we're going to be installing about 10 of them into the ground. For the big ones, they'll be beneath the root zone, and for the smaller ones, they will be in the root zone. And we'll be looking at how nitrate is leaching through the soil, and hopefully we'll be able to catch that during the raining periods and also the dry periods as well. So we'll be installing them, and through tension in the tubes we'll be able to capture the soil water, and then we'll be testing that in our labs for soil nitrate. That's the majority of what we'll be doing.